All right, I'm the flat rate master and the Stubby Milwaukees are in. The Stubby Milwaukees are in. They're in my hands. I'm excited. They are everything Milwaukee has talked about, at least to this point, for me. You know, this is initial, remember, y'all, this is an initial impression video, not a long-term test. I will do an update video after I've used them for a good bit of time. But they're in my hands, and we can do some comparisons real quick about the old models versus the new models. All right, they all have the same features, the reverse switch in the middle, just like all the Milwaukees. 3 power levels, plus a reverse torque, full power, and then a reduced torque, forward power for torquing stuff down that you don't want to break. As you can see, size difference is not considerable on the 1/4 inch, but every little bit, helps when you're trying to get in a tight spot with an impact. Now, the 3/8 is a good bit bulkier. Now, it's a good bit bulkier than the M12 previous generation, but power levels are much higher, closer to the M18 fuel instead of the M12. Something to be careful about when you're using it. Now, I'm going to have some B footage mixed in the middle of this stuff, showing these tools being used real quickly on various fasteners. Not a wheel. I specifically did not do a wheel, so for you naysayers, all fasteners I've never touched, never put a tool on at all. They're all virgin. So balance on these, I've only had a little bit of time with them, but balance feels good. They feel good in the hand. Of course, the big boy, the one everybody's wondering about, the 1/2 inch, it got some might to it. As you can see in the video, I took caliper bolts out of it. Now keep in mind, 21 millimeter heads, never touched them before. The last brake job was at 90,000 miles and it's got 150 on it now, so they've been on there a while. Took it out, a little bit of struggle, but it's an itty bitty tool. Come on, guys. I'm really looking forward to getting these in action, testing them out, using them on a day-to-day basis, and hopefully we'll see how they do. But I am really excited about these tools. This is right up there for me with the fuel ratchets. Really excited about these. They're fairly compact still. I mean, this tool has been through a lot with me, still going strong. It's the original M12 fuel 3/8 impact. I'm going to be giving this one a workout because I dang sure have given this one a workout. So we'll see how it does, and we'll give a long-term test on all these tools, after I've used them for a while. But I am really excited about these tools. I don't know what else to say about them at this point other than we'll see how they do. But I'm excited. Hopefully you are too. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see the update video, make sure and subscribe. You don't like Milwaukee, you prefer overpaying for Snap-on? Give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.